At least 4 Cathay Pacific flights between Hong Kong and Singapore have been cancelled today and tomorrow. The airline didn't give a reason for the cancellations, but its flight attendants union confirmed that some of its members had walked out.
Flights cancelled include Cathay's codeshare with American Air, Fiji Airways and Air Astana. Other airlines flying to Hong Kong, such as Singapore Airlines, Scoot and Jetstar, said their flights are going on as scheduled.
As protests continue in Hong Kong, travel agencies here in Singapore are also seeing mixed demand. One travel agency said bookings and inquiries have gone down by more than 50%. Others, like Dynasty Travel, said that leisure travelers are adopting a wait-and-see attitude, while essential business travel is proceeding only on weekdays.
Chan Brothers also said travelers are concerned about safety, but it has not seen cancellations for groups flying during the upcoming long weekend. It added that there is still demand for year-end departures to Hong Kong, but it is monitoring the situation closely.